The 2025 BMW 3 Series is a popular premium compact automobile that stands out for its sporty performance, high-quality interior, and cutting-edge technology. The 2024 BMW 3 Series has a great reputation for providing a balanced driving experience and is frequently recognized as a benchmark in its market, particularly for handling and driving characteristics. The 3 Series comes in several body types, including sedan, coupe, convertible, wagon, and Gran Turismo. The 2025 BMW 3 Series has been through multiple generations, each bringing new features, technologies, and design improvements. The 3 Series has a variety of engine options, ranging from fuel-efficient 4 cylinders to powerful 6 cylinders, rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, and gasoline and diesel variants available in different markets. BMW also sells high-performance versions under the M3 brand. The 3 Series normally performs well in safety testing and includes a variety of driver aid systems to improve safety. BMW has a reputation for designing elegant and well-made interiors. The 2025 3 Series often has plush upholstery, a user-friendly infotainment system, and premium materials. The most recent technology is offered in 3 Series vehicles, which include an infotainment system that is snappy, driver assistance systems that are standard, and optional features like adaptive cruise control and a digital instrument cluster. The basic sport seats provide many of adjustability to promote comfort and are supportive and well bolstered. The Series 3's instrument cluster is marginally above the 12.3-inch instrument display and 14.9-inch infotainment screen. Even in bright sunshine, the sharp and readable high-resolution screens appear fantastic. The iDrive 8 interface from BMW is quick and simple to use. Numerous technologies are standard, such as a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, in-car navigation, and satellite radio from SiriusXM. A head-up display is added with the optional premium package. There's also a Harman/Kardon sound system and a wireless smartphone charging pad available. The car's other features include heated front and rear seats, a customizable ambient lighting system within, wireless charging, remote start, and a comprehensive head-up display. Six carry-ons or a total of 17 when the rear row is folded can be accommodated in the spacious 17 cubic foot cargo area of the gas-powered sedan, which is equipped with a power bed lid and a huge trunk. The 3 Series features two strong and trouble-free petrol engines. The 330i is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, but it feels more powerful. The M340i is equipped with a powerful 3.0-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder engine and a 48-volt hybrid system. Total output is 382 horsepower and 369 foot-pounds. The 330e plug-in hybrid combines a 2.0-liter turbo engine and an electric motor to produce 288 horsepower and 310 pound-feet. The 330i also secured its position at the top of its class, defeating the superb Alfa Romeo Giulia in a head-to-head showdown. Our long-term M340i further demonstrated the nameplate's rebirth with its great six-cylinder engine and exceptional body control. The EPA forecasts that the 330i four-cylinder engine can achieve up to 25 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. The more powerful six-cylinder M340i achieves up to 23 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. The rear-wheel drive plug-in hybrid model gets an estimated 28 miles per gallon combined and has a 23-mile all-electric range. Both values fall to 3 for the all-wheel drive PHEV. We tested a rear-wheel drive 330i on our 75-mile-per-hour highway fuel economy route as part of our thorough testing regimen and got an amazing 42 miles per gallon. Similarly, we conducted the test with the all-wheel drive M340i, which achieved 33 miles per gallon,